In this video, I'm going to show you how to import contacts in HubSpot. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your contacts. So here on the left, hover over CRM and click on Contacts. From here, you'll see in the top right, there's going to be a button which is going to say Add Contacts. You want to click on that and you want to choose the second option, which is called Import. From this page over here, you want to go and click on Import Data under Import a File. And then here you have two options. So we could go and do quick import, which is for contacts only. And that's what we're going to do right now because we're only importing contacts. But if you want to use advanced imports, you could also do that, which is, of course, suitable for all objects, contacts, and everything else. So I'm going to do a quick import contacts only. And then you have to drag and drop your file or choose it. So I do have a CSV file here. As you can see, CSV, XLSX, and XLS are supported. So I'm going to actually drop in a CSV file over here, and then down here you want to select your language of the column headers in your file. For me it's English. If it's anything else, just pick the one from the list and then go and click on this next button bottom right. But if you don't have a file ready, you could also go and get a template and then get your of course documents or contacts sorted inside that template. So click on next bottom right, and then from here, as you can see, you're going to have to match your data to their contact properties. So here, basically, for me, it's actually already set up because I've exported this from HubSpot itself. So as you can see here, column header from file is called record ID. And of course, you want to go and just select the HubSpot property, which for me is record ID. First name is first name, last name is last name, etc. You just have to match these. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. And as you can see, these are just some sample contacts I put in here for the purpose of this video. It's some demo contacts. And then whenever you're done, you can also go and map all the other things. I have 5 unmapped columns. I actually don't want to import that data, so I'm going to check I don't want to do it, and then click on Next. From here, you want to select the import name. I'm going to keep it like it is so I can find the file later if I need to. And then here, you want to select the legal basis for processing a contact's data. I'm going to do a legitimate interest, lead. You could do whatever you need. Here, I'm going to click on Finish Import, bottom right, and it's going to start importing, and you get an email whenever your import is finished. Usually, it's quite quick, but that's really how to import contacts into HubSpot. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.